I know this video may be boring for some of you, but let's not forget that we also started from somewhere. A risk to reward ratio is an important part of risk money management. So if you're a beginner, this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome again into my place where with each new video I try to bring you one step closer to successful trading and to keep you profitable. My name is Ivailo and this is Elite Trading Zone. There's not much to explain. At the end of the video I will show you a table that will be very useful to you. The risk to reward ratio tells you how much you stand the profit for every unit of currency you risk. A risk to reward ratio of 1 to X tells us that for every $1 you risk, you stand to generate a profit of X dollars. For examples, let's say you buy one Bitcoin at $25,000. You promise yourself you will never sell until the price reaches exactly $100,000. Even if it means failing the Bitcoin down to zero and losing all of your money. In this case, 1, you are risking at $25,000, and 2, if the Bitcoin price does reach $100,000 and you sell, you are left with $75,000 after subtracting the $25,000 you've paid for it. In other words, you're risking a 25 grand for a potential profit of 75 grand, or a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. Instead of doing all that math, the people at TradingView have designed it to be many times easier. Here on the left you get this quick calculator right here, long or short. Feel free to set them up as you choose. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and etc. and etc. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, 5-minute time frame. The price moves below the EMA20 and are making lower lows. However, here we see how the price makes a lower low, but the RSI does higher low. This is a bullish divergence and we decide that we should be long on the market. Who hasn't watched the divergence video? Upper right corner. We are waiting for the price go above EMA20 and close above it. Here this bar does it and we go long. We place our safety stop just below the previous swing low, setting up risk to reward ratio 1 to 2 and just wait. I want to draw your attention to this table right here. The tables consist of 4 columns: risk, reward ratio, and success rate. The first is our capital, in this case $10. Then follow the profit in dollars, then comes our risk to reward ratio, and finally the most important column. What percentage of our trades must be successful to be profitable? Or in other words, our win rate. You don't want to trade a risk to reward ratio 4 to 1, 2 to 1 and 1 to 1. You want to trade 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 and etc. and etc. and etc. With 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, you only have to have 33% win rate and above 33% to be profitable. I recommend, if you are a beginner, to start with 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio because it will be easier for you and there will be many more deals and you don't have to wait a long time until they fulfilled. That was the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't watched the video how to calculate pips in Forex in less than 5 minutes, right here, write a comment below what you would like my next video to be. Till the next time.